Hi everyone, I'm David, one of the Sephora beauty directors, and this video is all about Rosehip oil, also known as Rosehip seed oil. So in this video, I'm gonna break it down, make it really easy for you to understand because it's a buzzworthy ingredient and it's definitely worth getting to know. Okay, so what is Rosehip seed oil? Well, since this is one of our Beauty Newbie series videos, we're gonna keep this education really simple and easy to understand so that anybody, even new to beauty, will really be able to decide whether or not this is an ingredient for them. Let's clarify one really big point here. A lot of you may be familiar with an ingredient like rose water or rose oil and have seen that around in other products. Now, while it is also derived from roses, rose water, rose oil, anything that smells like roses, that's actually derived from the actual bloom, the flower, the petals, and it's got its own incredible skincare attributes. This, what we're talking about, is actually rosehip oil or rosehip seed oil. And this comes from the fruit, and yes, roses actually bear a fruit. After the flower petals die and everything, it's underneath, and it is what is pressed out of that. So that is exactly what we're talking about today. And though linked because it does come naturally from the same rose plant, it is different than rose water and rose oil. So we want to make sure we clarify that. So what's so special about rosehip oil? Well, I think there's two really key categories of ingredients in this oil that make it so fantastic for your skin. One, you have powerhouse antioxidant vitamins like A, C, and E. Now, if you've seen anything on skincare, you know vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E are pretty much the trifecta of fantastic skincare. They nourish the skin, they help with fighting cellular damage from outside stressors and environments. They can help with anti-aging issues. I mean, there's a world. My brain's like going crazy thinking about all the things that those three vitamins in particular alone could do fantastically for your skin. Now, you also have in rosehip oil essential fatty acids. Now, essential fatty acids are pretty much what's in every single moisturizer out there. It is essential for your skin, hence the name essential fatty acids. And they are a key factor in maintaining your skin's natural barrier, healthy, plump, hydrated skin. So, what can these ingredients in this naturally derived oil do for your skin? I think there's four really key benefits, and probably the most popular one that I think you've been seeing a lot on social media. Rosehip oil has an incredible ability to help reduce redness and inflammation. This is really important for anyone who struggles with eczema, psoriasis, blemishes, things like that where your skin can get easily inflamed, red, and irritated. The vitamin E and fatty acids in here are a natural, soothing, calming, and anti-inflammatory attribute to this oil, and it absolutely can help your skin reduce those effects. And that's really key to healthy skin. Reducing redness, reducing inflammation, whether it's inside your skin, whether it's inside your body, whether it's on the surface of your skin, is essential. Like, you have to be able to maintain that. It's so important to healthy skin. Up next, you can get the best hydration from this because, like I said, essential fatty acids are pretty much what's in every moisturizer out there. So you're getting it naturally created from this oil. So applied on the skin, you're supplying that top layer with a plump, beautiful level of hydration that's also going to stay throughout the day. And that's another key aspect with hydration is you want to make sure you don't apply it and then it just disappears. So this is going to stay locked into your skin for a long period of time. Up next, you also have its ability to help reduce the signs of fine lines and wrinkles. Why? Well, you have vitamins A, C, which are probably the two most important ingredients in skincare when it comes to fighting off fine lines and wrinkles. I think every person out there needs some little bit at least of vitamin C in their skincare because it is wonderful at helping your skin fight off wrinkles through production of collagen and elastin, creating that structure underneath, plumping the skin, firming the skin, and vitamin A helps with cellular turnover. Newer, fresher, younger skin, less signs of aging, less signs of wrinkles, less signs of fine lines. They can also help prevent further ones. So overall, you've got a great ingredient here for skincare, something that I think a lot of people can find really good use for to help address any concerns. So let's jump in and talk about some products that are really gonna help supply it right into your skincare routine. So first off, from The Ordinary, this is the 100% organic cold-pressed rosehip seed oil. What I love about The Ordinary in general as a brand, they often take a great ingredient like rosehip oil and isolate it and give you in true form. This is basically cold-pressed rosehip seed oil. That's it. So this makes it really easy for you to incorporate into your routine because there's nothing else in here. So you can figure out where it best works in your skincare. I will say when it comes to any oils that you're applying on your face, usually you do want those to be more towards the end of your routine, only because even though this is lightweight and non-greasy, because this is in its truest form, and I'll give you a little example of it. Very, very classic oil, very lightweight and not heavy or thick at all. If you apply this and then let's say you were gonna put on like a lightweight serum or something on top of this, a lot of times some serums, some moisturizers actually can't penetrate through. It's a good aspect of an oil because it helps lock everything in place. So I would just say with this, put it more towards the end of your routine, even if it is just the rosehip seed oil. But this is great because it's an affordable way to just add this one ingredient into your routine. Plus, little tip, drop some of this into your body moisturizer. Mwah, Bella, so good. Just get all those added benefits right onto your body. It's really great. And again, I like this because of the versatility. I'm a very much a bespoke custom skincare person because I have very sensitive reactive skin. So I need to kind of fit the puzzle pieces of my routine together, and this makes it so easy. I like to use it at night, and also nothing that you have to worry about interactions with. Rosehip oil can be used with anything, any other ingredients, so you can really find where it's gonna best form into your routine. Great option here. So what you will also find in this category with rosehip oil is products that are mixed together with other beautiful ingredients that blend so perfectly with rosehip oil. In this case, we have from Herbivore, the Phoenix Rosehip Anti-Aging Face Oil for Dry Skin. Now, what they've done here at Herbivore is they've taken the rosehip oil and they've combined it with CoQ10, another powerhouse antioxidant, really known for helping also with dark spots. So you're getting a really good double power there on any discoloration. And then they've also added sea buckthorn oil in here, which is a great skin smoother and softener. So you got these really great oils and other ingredients combined in this that's really gonna help your skin look and feel its best. I love when a brand takes interesting ingredients like rosehip oil and it finds other ingredients like a CoQ10 and sea buckthorn oil, and it finds a way to put them together really nicely. I think it's kind of like what a chef does with food. And since I'm not a cook at all, I'm very impressed by it the same way I am with skincare. Like, I think this is just a really well thought out oil for the face and you'll absolutely love it. Now, finally, I thought it would be fun to add in another way that you can find use for rosehip oil. Now this is from Merit, and this is the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. I fell in love with this because it performs so beautifully. It's non-sticky, really glossy. It provides a beautiful wash of color, something that's really highly buildable, but it also gives that gorgeous, like stained glass kind of look to the lip. Now this is in the shade Sangria, and I have been using this on photo shoots nonstop on so many models, and it just looks beautiful. But guess what's in here? Rosehip oil. And you're also getting some jojoba oil and some grapeseed oil. And so really what you've got here is makeup, because it is a lip oil that's tinted, so you can get that beautiful color. There's a variety of shades, but it's also gonna provide your lips with all those benefits we just talked about. So you're gonna get conditioning, nourishing, protection on your lips. Actually makes your skin on your lips look the best they can. Love this stuff. Okay, so there you have it. A beginner's guide to rosehip seed oil. Hopefully this was really enlightening and it's got you all excited to try this really buzzworthy ingredient out. Let me know in the comments section below if this is your first time hearing about rosehip oil and what you think about it. Or if you're already a huge fan, sing the praises of rosehip oil for all of us to hear. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos like this from us every single week. And until next time, take a moment, check out some rosehip seed oil at your local Sephora. I guarantee you're gonna love it, and I'll see you all soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.